Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to create columns in Google Docs. First open your browser, then search for docs.google.com. Then this type of interface will be visible in your screen. Now open your document that you want to create columns. Now for creating columns, you have to click on Format. Then you will find column option here under the line and paragraph spacing. Now select your style. Here is available 3. You can customize it by click on more option here, but I'm gonna show you the default 3-1. Now select your style. Here is a 2-line style. See, the style is visible in your screen. If you want to see it in 3 columns, then click on Format Columns and here is the 3 columns option. Now your text is divided into 3 columns. This is how you can create columns in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please give likes and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.